You might have noticed that after the recent One UI update, Facebook has stopped working in landscape mode. Even if you enable the auto rotate feature, Facebook will not work in landscape mode. Now there are two methods to fix this issue. For the first method, just open the control center, and from here, just look for the option for DeX. Now just tap on DeX and enable DeX mode. Now from here, if you open Facebook in DeX mode, now just open the app in full screen. You will be able to use the app in landscape mode, just like that. Now if your tablet does not support DeX mode, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen. Now I will disable DeX mode. And on your home screen, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, you can use the web version of the Facebook app in your web browser, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.